I'm Professor Deborah Humphreys and I have the pleasure of being the Vice Chancellor of the University of Brighton. The university is a special place to our students and our staff. It's a place where you'll be supported to explore, to learn, to practice and to tailor your learning to your ambitions. Our open day is your opportunity to get to know us as a university and as individual students and staff and get a feel of whether this is the right option for you. I hope it is. The campus will be bustling with activity, so you'll want to get organised before you get here. When you book, you can design your own personal programme of activity, from subject and advice talks, taster sessions and demonstrations, tours of our learning facilities and accommodation, and lots of opportunities to get one-to-one advice and to meet current students and staff, people who will give you a really good sense about what it is to be a University of Brighton student. People who can answer your most burning questions, so make sure you talk to us. And if you don't get all your questions answered on the day, no question is too small, nothing is too much trouble. So email us, Facebook us, use the means and methods to get your questions answered. There'll also be a tailored programme on the day that you'll find lots of other things to see and do. Your brochure sets out a full timetable for the day and also gives you some tips about exploring the local area as well. So whatever happens, I hope you have a fantastic day, and if you see me, come and say hello.